Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reading you another story from Sammy. It's called Trick or Treat. So let's read it. Today is Halloween and Sammy will be knocking on your front door. But he has cavities, so please do not give him candy. P.S. Sammy will try to fool you by wearing different costumes. Seriously, Sammy's mom. Ding dong. Hi there, neighbor. I noticed your port light is on. Are you by any chance giving out candy for Halloween? No. Why not? Who told you I have cavities? That's not true. Okay, maybe I do have cavities. Can I just have one piece of candy? Please? Fine. I won't bother you anymore. Ding dong. Trick or treat. What? I'm not Sammy. Who is Sammy? Okay, you caught me. Goodbye. Ding dong. Ahoy, mateys. Trick or treat. Give me something yummy to eat. Raisins, yuck! Raisins are fruit, and fruit is not candy. Goodbye. Ding dong. Trick or treat. A pencil? Really? Who gives out pencils for Halloween? Good night. Ding dong. Quack, quack. Trick or treat. Please give me something yummy to eat. Worms? Disgusting. I said give me something yummy, not something squiggly wiggly. Bye. Ding dong. Gobble gobble. Trick or treat. A toothbrush? Come on, really. I can't eat this. Wait a second. Is this a candy toothbrush? Crunch. Nope, it's a real toothbrush and it tastes gross. I can't bear to this. It's so funny. And it tastes gross. Goodbye. Ding dong. Good evening. I'm the candy police. I need to inspect your bowl of candy. What? There's no such thing as the candy police? Fine, you caught me. Goodbye. Ding dong. Hi, it's me again. Don't worry. I don't want any of your candy. Hey, I just want to help you give out candy. Is that okay with you? Hooray! I get to hand out candy. Happy Halloween!